Kankakee County recently announced receiving funding from Rebuild Illinois to enhance rural transportation. So on the Kankakee County website, under County News, so the county will receive $360,000 to replace paratransit vehicles to accommodate higher number of passengers while allowing for social distancing, and the county will also receive $700,000 for upgrading for an upgraded vehicle storage facility. Then we have a quote from Hopkins Park Mayor Mark Hodge. And then finally we have the link where you can go to get info on the show bus routing and timing for Kankakee County.